How to fix GTA 5 installation stack problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just go to settings, go to privacy, and then scroll down until you find background apps. Now just turn it off and go back, go to gaming, then go to game mode, turn it on, and go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, and then go back, go to system, and go to notifications, turn it off, and now go to apps. Now just make sure disable uninstalled applications that you don't need, to make sure that you have enough space to install GTA 5. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.